Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix Infinity Nikki mobile not working. Let's begin. First, make sure your mobile device has the latest update installed. Open the Google Play Store and search for Infinity Nikki. If you see the update button, tap it and wait for the update to complete. Once done, try opening the game again to check if the problem is fixed. If the issue continues, the next step is to check the app permissions. Press and hold the Infinity Nikki app icon, then tap the information icon. Go to app permissions and ensure all necessary permissions are allowed, such as notifications, photos, and videos. After granting permissions, close the settings and open the game again. Another useful method is to clear the cache. Press and hold the Infinity Nikki app again, open the information icon, and go to storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right. Once you have cleared the cache, restart your mobile device and try running the game again. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.